Hello viewers, and welcome back to our Smart Home Tech channel. Today we will review a new product from Aqara. It is Aqara U300 Lock. The Aqara U300 Smart Lever Lock brings a new level of convenience and security to the world of smart homes. Unlike other smart locks from Aqara and most smart locks on the market, this lock is a latch style, meaning it replaces your actual doorknob or lever rather than the more commonly used deadbolt systems. While this offers a unique and innovative design, it might cause some hesitation for users accustomed to the security of traditional deadbolts, raising questions about whether this new style can truly deliver the same level of protection. With deep integration into the Apple HomeKit ecosystem, it supports Aqara Home Key, Matter over Thread, and multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprint scanning. This smart lever lock is perfect for both exterior and interior doors, offering flexibility, security, and ease of use for users who want seamless control over their home's access. Aqara U300 Overview. The Aqara U300 is a smart lever lock designed with the future of home security in mind. It's a part of Aqara's expanding portfolio of smart locks, including the Aqara U100 Smart Lock and the Aqara U50 Smart Lock, each providing innovative solutions for modern smart homes. The U300, however, takes a different approach by replacing door levers rather than deadbolts, making it ideal for latch-style doors both inside and outside the house. Key features include the Apple HomeKit integration, Aqara Home Key functionality, and Matter over Thread support, which allows this smart lock to connect easily with Home Assistant and various other smart home ecosystems. It supports multiple unlocking methods such as fingerprints, PIN codes, and NFC cards, making it an attractive and versatile option for home security. Key features of the Aqara U300: fingerprint reader and PIN codes. The Aqara U300 comes with a highly accurate fingerprint reader that supports up to 50 unique fingerprints. PIN codes can be created for family members or guests, making this lock highly customizable. Apple HomeKit integration and Aqara Home Key. One of the standout features of this smart lock is its Aqara Home Key integration, allowing users to unlock their door by simply tapping their iPhone or Apple Watch. This works even when the device's battery is low. Thanks to Apple HomeKit's Express Mode, you can manage access remotely through the HomeKit app and easily share access with guests. Multiple unlocking methods. In addition to the fingerprint scanner and PIN codes, the Aqara U300 can be unlocked using NFC cards, the Aqara app, and voice commands through Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa. For traditionalists, it even includes a physical key. Matter over Thread support. The Matter over Thread protocol makes this lock compatible with various smart home systems, including Home Assistant, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings. This feature ensures faster and more reliable performance compared to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth-based locks. Installation and setup. Installing the Aqara U300 is a straightforward process. With just a Phillips head screwdriver, users can easily replace their existing door levers or knobs without additional drilling. Aqara provides a step-by-step installation guide, and users can watch the installation video if needed. If you've installed Aqara smart locks like the Aqara U50, U100, or Aqara U200, you'll find the installation is familiar. One of the standout aspects of the Aqara U300 review process is the smooth setup. Users can register fingerprints, assign PIN codes, and link Aqara Home Key directly in the Aqara app or Apple HomeKit app. Thanks to Matter over Thread, the lock can be easily integrated into Home Assistant or other third-party smart home systems for advanced automation. Smart home compatibility. The Aqara U300 is designed to work seamlessly with multiple smart home platforms. With Apple HomeKit and Aqara Home Key at its core, it integrates with Siri for voice commands and automation. In addition, it connects to Google Home, Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings through Matter over Thread, making it a perfect choice for users looking for a versatile smart home lock. Moreover, Home Assistant users can take advantage of this lock's Matter compatibility, making it a flexible option for a variety of smart home ecosystems. Pros and cons of the Aqara U300. First, let's talk about its pros. Number 1. Multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprint, PIN codes, NFC, and traditional keys. Number 2. Seamless integration with Apple HomeKit and other smart home platforms via Matter over Thread. Number 3. Easy installation that requires no additional modifications to most standard doors. Number 4. Aqara Home Key feature, enabling iPhone and Apple Watch unlocking. Then IPX4 weather resistance for outdoor use. For its cons, we can say the following. First, in my opinion, the latch-style lock might feel less secure to users accustomed to deadbolts. Next, some might find the design slightly bulky for interior doors. Also, passage mode must be activated from inside the door, which can be inconvenient. And finally, limited availability of color options at launch. Battery life and power backup. The Aqara U300 is powered by 4 AA batteries, which can last up to 10 months depending on usage. If the batteries die, the lock can still be powered using a USB Type-C port for emergency power. This ensures that users are never locked out due to a dead battery, a critical consideration for any smart lock. User feedback and final verdict. Users in Aqara U300 reviews have praised the lock for its versatility, ease of use, and integration with Apple HomeKit and Home Assistant. While some noted the design is bulkier compared to traditional locks, the overwhelming feedback is positive, particularly for users who want a smart lock that integrates with multiple platforms. Compared to other Aqara smart locks like the Aqara U200, U100, and Aqara U50, the Aqara U300 provides the same level of security and ease of use, but with the added benefit of a latch-style design. This makes it a strong contender for those seeking the best smart lock for both interior and exterior doors. Final thoughts. The Aqara U300 Smart Lock is an impressive addition to the growing world of smart locks. Whether you're an Apple HomeKit user looking for the convenience of Aqara Home Key, or someone seeking a versatile, easy-to-use, smart lever lock that works with Home Assistant and other platforms, this lock delivers on multiple fronts. With its advanced features and robust build, the Aqara U300 is undoubtedly one of the best smart locks available today. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends. For more information, you can check the product link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice and safe life.